Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2019 Ram 1500 crew cab, four-wheel drive with the Hemi. This one's got the big horn package. Pretty much got a lot of options. It's a great package, great value package. Got 20-inch chrome wheels with a brand new set of open country tires. Got towing package, backup camera, front rear park assist sensors. It's got the exhaust through the bumper, kind of like that. It's got the easy lift tailgate. It just kind of opens by itself. Not much effort needed. It's got nice sprayed in bed liner. It's really easy to raise up to. It's got the LED tail lights. Got mud flaps. Got some nice chrome running boards, tinted windows. It's got the automatic HID headlights, fog lights. These are great trucks, very comfortable, sporty looking. This is a one-owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker, local trade, no rust, no mud, just very clean. It's got remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button twice. And then gets it cranked up, gets the climate control going. It's been certified, so you extend the warranty up to 100,000 miles on the powertrain. You can upgrade that bumper to bumper for a small fee. Got keyless remote entry, power heated folding mirrors. I really like the colors on the inside. It's a great combination. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Nice trim work. I have these in my truck. I like that. Put your cup, a bottle, lots of storage. Got some nice clean cloth seats, and they're very comfortable. And they're heated. That's right, heated cloth seats, which is a great feature, I think. Got power seat, lumbar support. You got your all-weather floor mat. Adjustable power pedal, electric parking brake. Got your audio control behind the steering wheel. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel, and it is heated too. So you've got heated seat and heated steering wheel. All you do now is put your foot on the brake and push the start button. And there it goes. It's got 28,259 miles. Got a nice sporty display. You got your trip computer and all your different things here. Very pretty. Got your cruise control. There's all your audio control and the computer control. It's got voice command. You can activate Siri. Got an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's on the knob. And then you can manual shift up and down here, which is real nice. If you slow down with a trailer, that'll help you slow down. Shift on the fly four-wheel drive. Got a beautiful 8.4-inch screen with the backup camera. It's all touchscreen, nice resolution. How about this Apple Carplay? Got it hooked up to my phone. I also got Android Auto, which is the same thing for the Android phone. It's very nice. Great resolution, a lot better than the factory navigation system because you can use your own apps like Google Map. I mean, that's pretty cool stuff. It's always live, current, a lot prettier. These are all the apps that's on my phone that are compatible for that, but there's quite a bit more. You've got your heated seat, auto dimming mirror. These are things, climate. It's got dual automatic climate control. You can just dial the temperature. That's Bluetooth. It's got a CD player too. That's optional. It's in the bottom. USB. And the radio, AM, FM, XM, satellite. I like the fact it's still got real knobs where you can still control stuff without having to go through a menu. A factory trailer brake controller. This is where you adjust your gain. I like these toggle switch, like airplane. front rear park assist, you can disable that. Like if you have your tailgate down, you can disable that. Tow mode. Got the bench seat with the center console. Got both keys. Put that over here. Got another USB plug-in. Can raise this up. I have one more passenger. All kind of surprised. How about a CD player? They finally put the release on this side, but you don't have to go over. This is optional. It's aftermarket, but it works. If you don't like it, it's just a suction cup. You can take it off, but it holds your phone. Very nice. Got a 12-volt outlet right here, where it should be on top. It's got a dual glove box. Pretty nifty. Got all your books. We've got your power sliding glass with a defroster. That's nice. Like I said, I've got both keys, window sticker, original owner's manual still wrapped up. It's a nice clean truck. Oh, I like this down here too. Can't have too many. It's even got USB-C and USB to keep your phone charged up in the auxiliary port. So, very handy. Nice big doors, lots of leg room. It's a neat material, it looks pretty durable. It's got the all-weather floor mat back here too. Got some vents, keep everyone comfortable. That raises up on both sides. Also, you've got a box down here. Keep stuff in there. It's a removable bucket. It's got one on each side. Capless fuel, you just stick the nozzle in. This thing is also equipped with optional airbags. It's got airbags on both sides and in the back. And you just put air in this inlet here. You put air, remove it. That keeps the truck level under heavy load. It's pretty handy. Got all the paperwork that comes with that. These are good quality steps. They're not the cheap one. They're wide. So we've got the same box under here. And this side raises all the way up. It's a 60-40 split. Flies. Got a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi gas engine, 395 horse, plenty of power. It's a good reliable engine. Got a nice clean engine compartment, no rust. I like it. It's kind of roomy. Plenty of room to get around, not as tight as some of them. It's been serviced. You get the remainder of the factory warranty, 3-year 36 bumper to bumper, $560 on the powertrain, and then you get the all-state certification up to $100,000 on the powertrain for 2 years. If you're looking for a nice truck in light new condition at an affordable price, this here should do it. To see if this Ram's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.